Well, good morning, Larry. I am excited to have you here from Fulton County and tell us a little bit why you're here.
All right. Well, thank you, James. It's a pleasure being here. My name is Chef Larry Burnette. I'm at the College and Career Academy. This is my first year teaching. So,
Nice.
teaching young people. I used to teach adults, training them in baking and pastry. So, this is my first year working with students, and it's been a blast.
So you make do you ever make baklava and stuff like that?
Yes, I do actually.
All right. So tell us, how many kids do you have here today?
So we have, I want to say 36 kids. So it was super exciting because as soon as we saw the flyer for it, we were posting it in the classroom, and then we pretty much were just asking all the kids, like, hey, you need to come to this event. It's an excellent event. I've been working with the children to try to get them to put themselves out there. It's not easy with this generation because a lot of times they're on their phones, and a lot of times they don't want to be in front of people too much. So I'm always encouraging them to, one, put the phone down. Second, let's start working on our interpersonal skills, our
Yes.
communication skills, things of that nature, and dressing and grooming, things like that. But it's been really great because we teach roughly around 58 students. So we pretty much have two-thirds of our class here. So I was really happy about that.
That's awesome.
Hmm.
Because I was talking to GM, there's such a need for employees right now.
Absolutely.
But this thing that's so wonderful about this is they can come out and get a job,
Hmm.
or they can go to second year, a 2 year or 4 year degree
Hmm.
and just propel their whole career. And there's so much in the hospitality, tourism, culinary world that's out there for them. And I said it when I was speaking, this is the greatest industry you can be in.
I agree.
And they just need to take advantage of it. And you're giving them that opportunity and bringing them here.
Absolutely, but a lot of times too, it's up to the children to actually take advantage of the opportunities. So the one thing that both Chef G and myself have stressed with them is that you're always going to be networking. You'll never know who you're going to meet,
Yes.
where or when. So always be ready to work on. We've been teaching them the elevator pitch. It's like if you can, within 30 seconds, tell a person who you are and a goal that you have, you will never know who's going to say yes and who's going to say, you know what, I definitely want to work with you. We actually had a couple students that actually did that and they found jobs. So I told the kids here, I said, you might meet a future mentor, you might meet a future employer. Most likely, you're going to meet a new friend, not necessarily in your school, but maybe in another school. So
Right.
always put your best foot forward. And we try to stress that.
When getting a job in Metro Atlanta, you're looking for employment all around Atlanta.
Absolutely.
So it's just a perfect opportunity to be here. And you're so true. They've got to get out there and be able to communicate.
Hmm. Agreed.
So, Chef, thanks for being on.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for having us. I'm looking forward to doing this again in the future.
We hope this is every year and just get bigger.
Yes, absolutely. Well, thank you, James. Pleasure.